How to back up WhatsApp on iPhone. So here, I'll detail how you can easily back up your WhatsApp messages, chats, contacts on your iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. You need to back up your WhatsApp, chats, messages periodically so that you'll be able to restore the WhatsApp chat if things go wrong with your phone, or when you want to swap or change your phone or migrate your WhatsApp chat from one phone to the other. So all you just need to do here to back up your WhatsApp chat is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Then click on the settings at the bottom right. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on Chat. Now once you select the chat, locate Chat Backup and click on it. Then go ahead and click on Backup now. But before then, what you need to do is this. You may want to include video or remove clip video from your file. If you included videos, then you'll see the additional files you're going to add to the backup files on your iPhone. Then click on Auto Backup, and here you want to change this to daily if you don't want to miss any for backup on your WhatsApp. Then if you want your WhatsApp to back up without any problem, then always exclude videos. Then you can now go ahead and click on backup now. Then you should see your WhatsApp backing up. So that is basically how to back up WhatsApp on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.